Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. Hiker Dave here. Just was starting down this trail. It's a shortcut back to my vehicle, and right in that direction, I heard a pretty decent stick snap. Now I'm all spooked right out. It's probably, I get the jitters, it's probably about maybe 60 yards from here, right straight in front of me. It is a trail, guys, so, you know, it could be somebody walking that stepped on a twig. The wind isn't really real bad here today. A little bit of wind, but wouldn't that really be something, huh? Catch a glimpse of the big guy. Really crazy day here. It's been active. I got a wood knock about maybe an hour ago, off in the direction where I had found footprints. I found the big 15-inch print, and then I found two smaller prints going in the other direction, about maybe a little bigger than mine, 13-inch maybe. I'd love to show you guys the prints. I made a video, but at the time I didn't have a YouTube channel, and I just wanted to show my kids and my friends. And I'm swearing really bad. The language is really bad in it. I'm just so freaked out and excited. It was right when I had started my research. And I don't want to upload it to YouTube because, I mean, I'd have to label it like graphic content. I mean, I don't know, viewer, beware. You know, something here and something traipsing through here. So I'm really conflicted about putting that video up because of the language. But the wood knock I had heard earlier came right from a direction where I had heard the only other wood knock I ever heard out here in Mass, actually, at all. And I heard both of them here at Massasoit. And the wood knocks came right from the general direction, unless my ears are lying to me. It came right from the area that I found the footprints. Maybe I'll upload that to YouTube one of these days. I don't know. I don't want to insult anybody with the language. I generally don't use bad language on my videos unless I'm really excited. Okay. That's enough for me. I'm going to go. I'll see you on the next one.